Hi, my name is Krupa Shah, and right now we are looking into my final year project, which is Student Profile Evaluator. So, our project is divided into two parts. First is prediction of their CGPA after their 4 semesters, and second is prediction of their master's college, which desired university which they want. So, in the year, we can see this is the map of USA. So, first we are taking into consideration the students who went to USA for their masters. So as we know, we are from electronics branch. We have taken into consideration the students who went in the year 2018, 19 and 20 for their masters. So here we can see only we can see any number of students which went for their masters. So here the students who went in 2018, we can see the university, the states and the number of students who went for their masters in that particular university. Through this, we can understand the trends in which the students go for their masters in various universities. Along with this, we have a year-wise distribution of the universities or states which are preferable by students for their masters. So we have taken here the year 2018, wherein we see there are 44 students who went for different universities in different states for their masters. Along with this, we have the data for 2019 also and 2020. So we can see that maximum number of students prefer Pennsylvania State, Carnegie Mellon, and Virginia Tech, along with Arizona. So after this, we are going to also consider a different perspective, which is a perspective after masters, the salary of students. So we have taken the salary distribution of students of the year 2018. Here we can see the various salary distribution of students for various universities, and we can understand the trends in which the students who do their masters and how much they are paid, through different universities to different states. And now we are going to be taking a look into their GRE and TOEFL marks distribution. So here we can see we have divided the GRE and TOEFL marks of these students along with the university rankings through which they went for their masters. So we can see various trends of on universities and the GRE and TOEFL marks, and we can understand that university with highest ranking has how much GRE marks, and the university if of lowest ranking has how much marks. So this is the basically a distribution and visualization of which we can understand the trends which follow for the year 2018, 19 and 20 for the batch of electronics engineering from DJ Sangvi.
Thank you, Krupa. Now I'll continue. So let's see the master's sheets first. So here we see the distribution of student sheet where we have three parameters for choosing the batch, the country and the department. So when you choose all the three parameters, it will show you the list of universities and the number of students studying in the particular university. The second is stream change. So I have clubbed the master's department into 8 categories, like all the biomedical related fields have been clubbed into one biomedical group. So now this is the undergraduation department. So this will help us know whether a student is willing to change his department for masters or not. As we can see, all the biomedical students have not changed their stream and are pursuing the same department for their masters as well. The next is student distribution across countries. So here, after choosing the batch, we can see the distribution of students in each country and their count also. Now let us see the same for CGPA prediction analysis. This is the data of our batch, that is 2021 batch. In this plot, we can find out the correlation between two different marks. That is, there are four options: CT marks, HSC percentage, AMCAT average percentile, and CGPA average. So AMCAT was an aptitude test which our batch was supposed to give for placements purposes. So now if one wants to see the correlation between CT marks and HSC percentage, then he can choose the x-axis and y-axis parameters, and this will show you the plot of the students. Now let us move to Microsoft Azure. So we have used Microsoft Azure ML Studio for prediction purposes after the data analysis. So here it starts with taking the data set, then selecting the columns from the data set, Then edit metadata is used for converting the columns into categorical data, cleaning missing data for cleaning the null values. Then for splitting data, we have used a 70:30 ratio, that is 70% for testing data and 70% for training data and 30% for testing data. After which we have used 5 different models of classification for the admission prediction: logistic regression, boosted decision tree, decision forest, neural network, and support vector machine, out of which we got the best result from support vector machine, and then we have downloaded the output in the form of CSV. Now the next is CGPA prediction, in which the process is same, but this is a regression model. So the 4 regression models which we have used are linear regression, decision boosted tree regression, and neural network, and decision forest, out of which the linear regression gave the best output. Now these outputs are again plotted on Tableau for visualization purpose, and it is better to present. So for each admits in top 10, 20, 50, and 100, we have plotted the true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives. Then for the CGPA prediction, the orange label shows as the predictions and the blue is the actual value. So by this we can understand that it has a average accuracy. This is due to the anomalies in the data, but this is the best we could get, like the accuracy. So that's all with our project. Thank you.